Yo, it's been a long few days of not vlogging that much, digital detoxing and fucking shit, which didn't really go to plan either. But you know, here we go. It's just a little bit of an update of how things are going. Yeah, last night, fucking big loss, because you know sometimes fucking you think you got it. Just gonna have a quick look down here. Look. Biggest loss. It's still not too bad. So just gonna have a look at my little charts. Yeah, it's kind of like reoccurring thing, isn't it? Like big wins, big win. So this is like the boom and bust. So you steadily build it, and then you have big loss. And you steadily build it, steadily build it, steadily build it, big loss. So I'm not worried, because if we was to draw charts here, it's still got like an upwards trend. We didn't really drop lower than when we started, so it's gone up and then down, it's gone up and then down, it's expected to go up and then down. So if we literally just fucking steal this bastard out like this, copy it and fucking take him over here, you'll see what I mean. So if we was to like do it like that, so where being a trader comes in handy. So then you've got your fucking trend lines, which don't quite look like that. It's gonna look like this, more so. So there's your trend line. We're gonna be a trend line trader at this point, guys. I think we should make it red or green for money. And we're gonna get in a second new trend line here. So if you notice, we'll just draw it there and bring it there. Perfect. So there's our trend going up. So that seems to be the rate that we're passing at this level of mindset. So it's going to come here, and it'll probably creep up a bit, and then go back down, and then creep back up here, and then it'll probably creep back down again, and slowly gonna see what I mean? So trading's never consistent. Sometimes it goes like that, if you're very good, but this is me on this journey, so this is what we're getting at. So that's what we're kind of looking for. What we're hoping is not gonna happen is it shouldn't. Even if it comes down a bit here, that's cool, and it can start to come up a bit. So do you know what I mean? Even if you have like more winning and losing bits, this line here across is still higher than these lows here. So again, losing is a part of the game. You're not meant to be winning. So suck your mum, accept the loss, and have a wank. I don't know. I'm way too tired for this. But anyway, look what I've made. This is what you call analysing data. And so every single trade that's taken, and this just goes like you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 losers. So it took me 6 wins and 9 losers to break even. So these 6 wins made 3% and 9 losers. So you can afford to have more losses than wins, because the probability of the risk to reward here, so that was a 2.4. So that's a 1 to 2.4, 1 to 4, 1 to 8. These aren't actually losers, by the way. I need to change that. This one is, that one isn't. Is that TP? All the TPs are here. That's just because I bought in drawdown, so I've just highlighted that. So I think buying in drawdown, I should have these as like yellow or something, so I can confuse myself as having them as losing trades. That's what I like about this spreadsheet, is I've just made it. So time of the UK time, ooh, fucking Dr. Pepper. UK time is of what I trade, the kill zone for them, how I entered, did I market execute or did I set a limit, was my entry premium in equilibrium on top of the fair value gap, or was the entry early or late, was there M1 fair value gap, M5 fair value gap, M15 fair value gap, so I can start gathering data. All of them seems to have M1 fair value gap. Where did I exit? Did I exit early? Did I Cecilia, when I exited early, I got a 0.8, so I didn't get a 1-to-1. When I exited the target, I got a 1 to 2.5. When I exited and left it to run, I got a 1 to 4. So this is now what I can start gathering. So soon this will all be dropped down, and then I'll just click on this bit here and say click left to run. So it'll only show the left to runs and what my average arm multiple will be. And I'll click targets. So hisses, did it hit my stop loss? Obviously the yeses will mean it's a losing trade. Or not. I could probably get rid of that actually, because it's over here. Outcome, TP stop loss. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Did I break even during the trade? Yes, so that's no risk. Yes, no, 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 so lots of no's. So really we want to try and get that to a yes and then let them run. What was the risk that I was doing? So, is it more than 1% between these figures, so that I can look at, right, on this one, it was less than 0.5%. If that was a 1% trade, I would have made 4% that trade. So I can start to see and gather data. What time was the trades that I left to run? What setting environment within? What type of entry did I get? And I can start basically analysing data at the weekend to see like where am I getting my biggest wins? What time of the day was in? What kill zone were they in? What was my entries like? So what levels did they take? So here, how did Asian price action movement do the night before, because I'm a London trader. Outside zone because I had a fucking mare last night at 2 o'clock in the morning thinking I could become the market, so it's just made me lose all the money. So as you can see here, like just fucking was there M1 there was no setup. Look at this data, man. There's literally just like no setup there. I got stopped out, didn't risk more than 1%. What am I fucking doing? Yeah, I've literally hit buy. Yeah, but no, mate. I don't know. There was none of this here. Yeah, so I can probably just fucking copy and paste that. Down, my little cunt. So, and again, man, I was tired, I was happy, I had a really good day. You're never gonna be perfect. So yeah, it's just a cool little thing I thought. It's really hard doing this with one hand. Can I just drag that down? Yeah, wicked. Same again. You're gonna behave? Yeah, wicked. Look at that. Look at that. Walking round. Yeah, so you get a bit of a longer one, this one. So this is cool. This is really going to help with a lot of stuff moving forward. But yeah, at the minute, just got to play it safe. Oh yeah, if we look at the trades, look, so this was the fucking. I'm just buying here. Like there is nothing there to signify a buy at this point. It's not taken out this low here, which could be significant as the start of an Asian low. So if I was looking at price action movement, Asian lows are at this here, so that's like a New York low. So there's just no reason to justify buying here other than prices below. No, it's not, because New York midnight opens over here, so it's not even below New York midnight open. So there's just no way of justifying a buy here at this point from this point of view. Even if we go to the M1 over there, like look, like there's nothing. There's no structure. Right here there's a buy. Yeah, wicked. There's a buy there. I literally fell asleep at the fucking desk. I can't believe I even traded while falling asleep. So here there's a buy. Yeah, wicked. Nice little 1 to 2. Take out these highs. Didn't quite get it then. Came back down. Ended up taking it out. Yeah, wicked. Cool. Buy. Buy there. And then I've hit sell. Is that sell? Did I hit sell? Have I hit buys and then sells? Yeah, I did. What a fucking numpty. So I bought there, then lost, and obviously I literally sold at a buy signal. It's fucking jokes what you do when you're tired. Let's go have a look at the AED USD one. Literally exactly the same. Fucking don't know what I'm doing, mate. Might as well just start drinking again. Here we go. What time am I in? Yep, so as you can see, New York opened opens around here, so it's not above it, so I'm selling here. Why? Like literally just why? There's nothing on the M5. Come to the M1. It'll engulf down, no fair value gap, no structure, absolutely fucking nothing, not even a fair value gap there. No reason to be sold there, and then look what happens. Oh, turtle soup, fair value gap, little bit of a drop off to take out that high. So yeah, could have got something there. Is that live or potentially? Could you have got that to take out the high? Quite possibly, yeah, hit that, take out this high, yeah, because all this price action is moving up. So the trades are literally 20 minutes away from just being patient and trading. So yes, that's what stupid shit does. So anyway, have fun with this. I will be back hopefully tomorrow. I think this is day 30. But yeah, so far so good. I'm excited.